Hey everybody, welcome to the Drunken Sailor Cocktail Channel in 2026. We hope you all had a great holiday, but it's January now, the holidays are past us, and there's a theme that goes along with January, and that's Dry January. Dry January is just a way to show you that you can have a great tasting beverage, and it doesn't always have to be alcohol. So during the course of the month, we're going to be showing you some cocktails that are without alcohol. So we hope you join us, as today we're going to show you two. Let's get this year started straight. The first one is called the Cinderella. So let's get pouring. We're going to start this by building it in the glass. That's always a good easy start. And this one is filled with great fresh fruit juices. I'm going to start by putting a little bit of ice in the bottom of my glass. What I want to do is garnish that, so we're going to start and put in there an orange wheel. And we're just going to push that along the side, get it underneath that ice just to hold it in place. Now we're going to start building this with some fruit juices. We are going to use 3 different juices and a syrup in here. Our first one is going to be lemon juice, and we're going to use 1 ounce of that. It's freshly squeezed. You heard me say it before, fresh is best. Now, if you look in the description of the video, you're going to see this recipe, so I don't feel like you got to be scrolling and writing it down now. Our second ingredient in there is freshly squeezed orange juice. We're going to put 1 ounce in there. Keeping it simple, the quantities are the same on these juices. Our next ingredient in there is pineapple juice. 1 ounce of there, and that's in there. We're going to follow that up with some grenadine. Now this is homemade grenadine. It's not that super bright stuff you see in the grocery store. A little bit sweet, a little bit tart. We're going to use 1/4 ounce in there. That's going to give it a little bit of color. What I want to do now is I'm going to put some ice in there. Let's fill this glass up with ice. The ice doesn't want to play today. And now we're simply going to top this off with some ginger ale. Give it a little bit of sparkle, give it a little bit of fizz. And there we have a nice layered Cinderella. We'll put a straw on that. We're going to put that off to the side. And now we're going to start our second mocktail today. Bonus time. This is called the Sunday Sober Mocktail. So it's not only good in January, it's probably good throughout the whole year. This one, 3 simple ingredients in there. We're going to use some grenadine. We're going to use some lemon juice. We're going to use some Sprite. Once again, we're going to use a Collins glass again, and we're going to put some ice in there to start. First ingredient in there is going to be grenadine, and this time we're going to use 2 ounces. Got a great deep red flavor in there. We're going to follow that up, and you can do this to your choosing. Today I'm going to use lime juice in here. You can use lime juice or you can use lemon juice, 2 ounces. So it's going to have some pretty strong flavors in there. And it's got a pretty neat color. Final ingredient going in there, lemon lime soda. Today I'm using Sprite. Fill that up. And once again, another great looking layered cocktail. To garnish, I'm going to use a lime wheel. So put a lime on there, put a straw in there, and there are today's 2 mocktails, the Cinderella and the Sober Sunday Mocktail. Cheers, everyone.